I'm Joe. I'm the owner of Mr. Handyman. We've been in business for 17 years. We are a franchise. We fix things. But for the last 14 years, we've been able to shut down the office for a day and go help a veteran. Hopefully you have a list of stuff that you'd like us to do. But if you don't mind while we're doing this, I'm gonna look around too. Where do you want to start?
How about we start in the basement? Hi, my name is Brenda Lauer. I served in the United States Army and I was a dental assistant.
Yep, no problem.
Your generosity is amazing.
All right, so I think I've got all the projects done. I took some time this weekend to figure it out. I do think that we might be able to get all the projects done this week, but let's just kind of go through the projects. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Mulching and then the trimming the trees and the bushes. And if you can talk to Rulyscapes and see if we can get that done as well.
Okay.
Repairing the gates, securing that hose bib that's in the back, HVAC. Don Shaw and Shaw Services always takes care of us, so I'm sure he'll be able to take care of that. I'll have to mention to him that there's a Freon leak. Painting the living room and the bedroom that was a garage turned into a bedroom. At my next meeting, I'll see if I can talk to 5 Star Painting to see if they can do that one as well. The other thing was that flagstone patio and the retaining wall.
Yes.
The retaining wall looks like a really big project. We'll have to talk to Brian North to see if his team can help us with that. Ready to go?
I think we're ready.
It was a short time frame, but we'll get it done. All right, let's go. As you see, we got a whole bunch of people. We got a whole bunch more coming. So the big thing is safety. Hi, this is Joe McCabe with Mr. Handyman. We are here finishing up our 15th year of the day of service. We were able to take care of 40 projects, actually 42. We added a couple today.
When I received that email, I thought it was just going to be, someone really nice, donate some time and maybe fix a few things around the house that I needed. And I was really excited about it, but I didn't think it was going to be a very big project at all. When all the trucks pulled up and the team came out and everybody started setting up, it was really hard not to cry because I just was filled with so much gratitude. I just want to give a great big thank you to Mr. Handyman and all the companies and all the volunteers. It was a really big deal in my world. It's like winning the lottery, really.